those huts look nice and cozy back there, don't they? Left hand got innovative and built the huts. You can hoot, hoot. I want to hoot. Hoot. All right then, we're gonna continue to rock it. We're gonna rock it. Ask Denny. Ask Denny, he knows. Hell yeah. Uh-oh. Are you gonna like do the intro, man?
Oh, yes, yes.
I want to do my thing.
Okay.
Let me do my thing.
Let me do my thing.
Do your thing.
Do it.
What? What?
Do it.
Ow!
Bring it. Do it.
Yeah, that's right, Carlos. Yeah, we're gonna do it. Baby!
Come on now. Let's hear it.
Hey! What?
First of all, I want to thank everyone for making it out. What a hearty crowd. Very hearty.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Can't say that I've played in sub 40 degree temperature, but it's all right. It's all right.
7:75. I'm gonna watch you for the break, baby. Bep, 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 bep. Yeah, it's hard to keep the instruments online, you know. And the chilliness. Yeah, we know. I wish I had Crash's hat. Damn it. I like mine though. Here we go. What?
I think it's staying in too.
Oh, now we're talking. Men and Volts. Remember that band? Men and Volts.
Okay. Once again, thanks for having us. Mike and Dan sitting in with Cat Jerky. We want to do this. We want to do it my way. Left, move it right. Get a little sexy like a sex machine.
Yo!
JP, mind if I count this in?
Count it in, baby.
1, 2, 3, 4. Get out! Get up! Stay on the scene.
Get on up.
Like a sex machine.
Get on up.
Get out!
Get on up.
Stay on the scene.
Get on up.
Like a sex machine.
Get on
Come on,
up.
baby. Come on. One more time. Get out!
Get on up.
Stay on the scene.
Get on up.
Like a sex machine.
Get on up.
Now wait a minute. Get on up. And use your phone. Stay on the scene. Like a sex machine. You gotta have the feeling. Sure as you're born. Get it together.